What's going on, guys? Thanks again for joining me as always. Today's gonna be a good day. We're heading to the drag strip tonight. My buddy Ak is lending me his Weld wheels with drag radials on them off his CTS-V. We're gonna throw them on the Freedom Taxi and give her the beans. So stay tuned. We're at the track today. First time we've had the Camaro on radials, so that should be interesting. We're gonna give her what she's got. I think the best time I've ran on street tires has been a 8.3. So we're gonna see if we can get a new personal best. Mind you, the Freedom Taxi only has a cold air intake and long tube headers, and that's it, and a tune. So we'll see what she does. I'm pretty stoked to see what it does. I've never ran this car on radials, so maybe give it a few runs to see how the launch goes and feel that out. But it should be pretty fun. Got it over here. It looks freaking sick right now. I'm pretty pumped about it. So we should see how it goes. It's a Weld wheel 17 with 305 radial on it. So hooking shouldn't be a problem. It's just going to be me feeling it out and seeing what she does. If I can run better than 8.3, hey, that's a win for me. This is my daily fun car, but we need to give the Freedom Taxi some love and get this thing out here. So we'll see how it goes.
At 87.
So we already got a new personal best on the first run, and then tackled it with a second run down in the low 8.2s. With the radial so far, we're just adjusting tire pressure right now, and we're gonna continue to send it. Based off of mile an hour, I'm at about 86 or 87 mile an hour. I should be able to cut a 799. That would be sweet. That was my goal with cold air intake and long tube headers, and a tune was 7s. So we'll see how it goes. She's out here just letting her cool off a little bit, and we'll get her out there for another pass. But still stoked. New personal best. I'll take it. We already shaved a second off of our best time on street tires, so should be a fun night. Another personal best, 8.1 at 87 miles an hour. We're creeping down. I want to hit 7 so bad. it'll be sick. But I just getting used to the radials. I never had them before, so I think I just got to heat them up more in the box and get the launch down. And I think we got sevens. Shout out to Ock for the radials, my man. I appreciate it. But we're gonna let her cool off again and give her another run here.
'86 to '86.
So that last one was trash. The real bad bog on the launch. I should have just let out, but I just sent it for a run. It was 8.6, so it wasn't a good pass. We'll let it cool down a good bit and then check the tire pressure and call it good.
Eight, 2, 3.
Jacking up the launch so bad. The last couple runs have been terrible. 8.4s, a couple 8.2s. But yeah, I just really need to get the launch down. It's like as I'm letting the clutch out, I'm like not giving enough gas maybe. It's like right at the edge of the top of the launch. It's like it's bogging towards the end. I think I'm just losing momentum there. So try to run one more time and get one more run in for the night. But in the end, 2 new personal bests, 8.2. Consecutively and 8.1 at 87 miles an hour. So I'll take it until next time, and then we'll get one more run in here and see what it does.
'85 at 85.
All right, so we're done for the night. Last pass, I slipped the clutch too much and definitely smelled it, but we sent it, ran another 8.1, finish off the night in a positive note. Best run so far, 8.1 at 87, so can't complain. But I appreciate you guys stopping in. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get new notifications when we post new videos. And that'll do it for this time, guys. We will see you later.